Did you know you need a 1031 exchange company to save on taxes? With over 44 years of combined experience, Haven Exchange is extremely knowledgeable, reliable, and honest. Too many people mistakenly make themselves liable to pay capital gains taxes upon the sale of investment property when they plan to purchase a replacement property. They simply haven't been told about the wealth building strategy allowed by IRC Section 1031. This is a valuable strategy for real estate investors to increase their wealth over time exponentially. Defer capital gains taxes of up to 33% with Haven 1031 Exchange Company. We hold the funds in cash in a separate account with your name and exchange number, and we only do delayed exchanges. We are extremely ethical and have the bank statements to prove it, and they are always available to you. Visit havenexchange.com or call 866-794-1031 today to speak with Haven 1031 Exchange Company.